putot karom pajir thulo elitum pini chethanam sinyang mother's love pai akang hon ate pini lake elitum pai arani mate mother's day la elitum pai akang hon kwan sike thema po elitum bisia tomo elitum langnam sinyang langnam pen elitum moral education elitum charidang sinyang. There was a couple who have a son named Rohit. The couple penanso dolo atoma sumar dolo amen ke Rohit. They lived happily ever after and their child Rohit grew into a young lad. Pi bang labang so Rohit bang nang thenang dinglo ri sumar lo. And one day the couple decided to marry their son. Ari sike la sona pornang lilo bang so Rohit bang nang thenang dinglo la selang iphan chori pilo. La pente alang li got married di alang li achot chiri alo. He started feeling irritated with his parents, and when his father died one day, he decided to send his mother to old age home. Api ke lason lo pijo penalang li pai ban same chelang selet associate lo ison ben ison athe chelang selet do koglo. Laso jok si alang li old age home. Sarpi sarbura teman kibi ahem. Hadak si thonam koglo. La bangso ke thon nam ke la apu chewoi at a PC old age home long founded lo. Even after his parents did not wanted to go to the old age home, he by force sent them to such a place where they might not have access even to the basic amenities of life. Even after his parents did not want that. Alang li pai, alang li ninghang he je old age home long ke dam ji pan ninghang he. Nili mengkalu sama sabu disturb chalo dak. Hala so old age ho gedi tum chini lo de kaddo ko be hormu ke hematenge kali ji kichu ki juna sona jata kadure doji. Basic needs or muda ada kadure doji. He used to visit his mother to the old age home once in a week. Dam ke chedam ver asopu bange once in a week. Hapta even e phong garang li chelang dam ver. He used to visit. One day he came to know that his mother was seriously ill and she is left only with few hours of his life. And si alang li arjulong lo bete birta long lo alang li pai old age home lo kiso. So pick lo pusalang di arjulong lo. He decides to visit his mother that day and found her lying on the bed. Alang li chisig lo alang li decide lo alang li dam lo chelang dam lo alang li thek dam lo alang li pai la ke palong mate bed ke sang dim lo si bejoy. Out of nowhere, his heart started feeling bad for himself that he had not treated his mother the way she has already treated him. Alang li metang same aning chidug lo athe alang li pai alang man kela na son alang li chelal na tek thede da pose alang li metang same Rohit bang same alang li ning che oilo. He asked his mother if he can do something in her last time that will make her happy. Asi Rohit bang alang li pai ban pulo pai kupia son lo ne ki claim nang ji ke nang phan ning nang parong ji phan. Naning ki hang son kupilo usia alang li Rohit bang arjulo apai phan. Upon which his mother replied that, "Dear son, please install some fan in the rooms here, as there is not any fan in any of rooms of this home." Alang li sopo phan isi request lo ne thi bo thi thea prangke ne nanglo chohang ji ke labang so room dak ke do ana rooms tame fan isi tabe asi fan install made fan dak pavur tha usia alang li chuningri lo alang li sopo phan old age home long fan ave la sidak pavur tha selam tha pusi alang li sopo phan chuningri lo, and also buy a fridge for the old people living here la pen isi fridge nam pitha dak kesar tum ke do tum do pick la se alang li tum fridge ta kenang sot di. Many times people living here have to sleep without food as it gets spoiled many times for the lack of a fridge. Fridge ka via jok pe anan ke choson dame chubi no dak no bilo te men u hak no dak ti lo spoil di no dak ti po war fit nang ko ti lo la pente la war fit po ke ta hope ke chulong ge son same do ko ti la polo jo. And son, for that reason I had to sleep without food for many days. Di alang ti than la pai pan la so posin fridge avidet posin ni ta hope ge an chulong di same do na ko ti lo po se lang ti than lo. Son, being perplexed, asks, "Why you are asking me for all this today when you are left only with few hours?" Perplexed mane asurit mane manghuha ka son lo Rohit bang ka supo bang ke pai kopi porsi non le nang kithi po pole la ha son le na hang rong lo pusi Rohit bang apai phan arjulo. The mother replied that, lapente apai bang pula jathak dun ke, son, I am worried that you will not be able to live here comfortably when your son will one day send you here. Apai bang thak dun lo, po son di nang la so adim do tek thidet ji comfortable me sen ben nang dak do tek thidet ji mo nang sopu nang pandak nang toilote nang dak kido siksak oji la sopo si. So I want that everything before you come here gets mended. La sopo si nang dak old age home nang le liang ko kado kabe sikdang la po si mathalo. The son's heart got overwhelmed to hear these words of his mother. Lapente labang so apai alam kar julong pen alang lia ning stame prek dak sondo koklo di. This is how a mother's love is. It did not demand anything. Asi labang so story ke la sono je e paitum e phana ke demand ke thangna nang demand be di. Asupo bang pilon hangon ko pilon nang po. Pola bon stame apai ke thangna nang ne apai ka sumar to malan kang hono je pai alang li ki tipo uhut ans stame alang li asupo phanan mathalo je monon phi alang li ol e chom no dak nang li lo pute ni supo siksak dakji dak fan kawi fridge kawi pen kangjir kilang it pen sungnang kok di pusi alang li pai kitipo pu un hot sitame alang li mithang macam mata thi si alang li supo macam mata dak bangke moral ke lano ini tum apai asomar to ban ko an makang hon pula bang so atomu pen ili tum chinjam onlo non ison atomo tiek pen itum langdam thu sinang. A man stopped at a flower shop to order some flowers to be wired to his mother who lived 200 miles away. Asupo kedo sakuri ke klep along ka prek ependa apai ke hemsido alang litum hello wing 200 miles 200 kilometers abat hila hello wing lasupo si pilo alang li pai phanalang li mir ke naam si kiloji pusi alang li hithi along damlo di. As he got out of his car, he noticed a young girl sitting on the curb sobbing. Alang li car gari pen motor pen alang li ke sun pen alang li nurau sopan teglong lo hadak kachiru tawara kung si tot chim si labang so alu so kichiru lo sobbing. He asked her what was wrong and she replied, I wanted to buy a red rose for my mother and I don't have enough money. Labang so amunit bangso also pon arjulo kopi posi chirure lo nangke pos arjulo la bangso so pila je thakdun ke I wanted to buy a red rose nili gulab amir nam si ne pai phan ki pg si ninghang lo mose me nilong poisat mate tangka abidet and I don't have enough money tangka dor didet ne pai phan ne rose amir nam pi ponji posi mathalo mose me tangka dor didet posi ne so posi chiru usialang li je thakdun lo bangso so bang. The man smiled and said, come on in with me, I'll buy you a rose. Bango chiru rinon pulo bangso muni bang pulo neli nang nam pidun po. He bought the little girl her rose and ordered his own mother's flowers. Lapente alang li bangso so ban red rose gulab amir nam pidun lo akera color gulab amir nam pidun si pidun lo lapenda me thang phan same isi red rose order tikang lo. As they were leaving, he offered the girl a ride home. Lapenda labang so pin so di labang so alo so phandi nang thonun po pusi alang li pulo nang hema nang thonun po pusi pulo. She said, yes please, you can take me to my mother. Lapenda bang so sitame chok to nang thonun non pulo lapenda latum dam lo di ni pai long anang thonu non pusi bang so suta pulo you can take me to my mother. She directed him to a cemetery. Lapenda alang li konalo ke japon ke cemetery ke lage thiri bansi pulo di where she placed a rose on a freshly dug grave. Haladak thiri apaya thiri long selang li pondo di thimirak lang freshly dug grave alang li pai sabit chewoi mirak lang hadak si dam lo alang li. The man returned to the flower shop, cancelled the wire order, picked up a boget and drove the 200 miles to his mother's house. api ke alang li pilo alang li chibang chulo alang li bangso mero order tekang pa alang li polo alang li pilo me thangsi alang li mirsi lolok titi bol se menon ke alang li me thang abang pen masi alang li aheman na pailong chidam chilo kiche tong dam jipan kasi lalo la bangso story ke lalo ili tum e pai punon epo punon madu bhansa meri tum chinghon ji bute reng tik asi li tum chinghon ang ji thi era phige jong hele chinghon ing tung pusta me ili tum chinghon a thai same avida ji e pai same dobom usili tum lana nang polang nang poning parong nang po thi era phi bage ili tum chinghon ji da chinghon dik set puke lasila bangso apin sota lang sinang alang likido hello wing lo laso bolse alang li courier pen seme pothai plot titilo alang li pai phan alang li methang bang chedam desi api bang che chini lo je pirthei ke moni dover we laso posi rank tik an ke li tum family mate pai phan same ipo phan same donrap phan same ri tum e bang ber same che tong si chingi che thanang ji piri tum chadi damong lo sonia tomo nin thelo kado ka sitame lahin chinghon seroi pu pusin leading thelo pinya video bang ke la le tum che thanam pon chodang a video bang ding ong ten ani tum same lang sele thui thai ji asi apor same precious pick apor e tum mission nong si li tum apor podam nang ji thang bak bi apor podam de te mission ji lasi lan le tum che thanam pon chodang putha che tang thunang kardom